Today I'm gonna pay 3 Godot devs on Fiverr to create a complete game in less than 7 days. The rules are the game should be completely playable with no errors and that it should be good looking. Will the developers be able to delight us with the final result? Before everything, I want to thank Fiverr for sponsoring the video. Fiverr is an online platform offering a ton of different services, one of which is game development. You can go from completely creating your game to customizing or fixing bugs in your existing projects. Fiverr has a service to offer you waiting to take your game to the next level or make your game idea reality. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an experienced game developer, Fiverr will benefit you anyway. Start making your game ideas a reality with Fiverr, and to do so, create your account by following the link in the first line of the description, which is an affiliation link, so you'd help me a lot. Finally, use code LETA for a 10% off in any service you buy. Now, let's start. Of course, the first step was to look for Godot devs. So instead of having to scroll through thousands of developers around the platform, you can actually apply a filter to only see the developers using Godot. In fact, you have a bunch of filters to customize your search and find the most accurate freelancer for your needs. I actually found a bunch of Godot developers with different prices and experience level. What's really cool is that you always have a good description in each service, reviews tabs, portfolio and more tools that allow you to check if the freelancer is actually a good fit for the work you need to have done. Taking advantage of all these amazing tools, I found the 3 best fits for the games I needed, and this is the work they have done. The link of their profiles are in the description. As soon as I open this game, you can see that something amazing is waiting for us. Just look at this amazing pixel art animated planet. So cool. So we have here some controls and I'm just gonna visit the first planet, which is level 1. Okay, super good animation there. That was sick, man. Okay, so we move with the arrow keys. We jump with the up arrow key. Nice. Okay. Man, look at the visual style. So polished. And so good at the same time, for sure. Okay, perfect. I really like the background that, as you can see, is like a parallax background. So good. Okay. I have to go to this platform now, moving platform, so cool. And I will jump right here. Okay, and this is level 1. Let's go now to level 2. Okay, we are here and let's click play. Okay, we are going to like an underground or something like that. That animation was again super interesting. Let's jump over these spikes. Okay, we have some enemies that I think we should squash. Okay, like this, and let's squash them. Perfect. Okay, so let's just move a little bit. Perfect. Okay, that was definitely having a lot of luck. Okay, let's now go right here. I will have to jump, I suppose, on these platforms. Okay, the spikes are moving up, so we have to hurry up. Like this. Okay. Man, I can't believe I'm doing it. Okay. And okay, so level 2 finally completed. So cool. Let's go now to level 3. Okay, so here we are. So cool, all the animations here. No, this can't be a boss, man. Wow. I'm super delighted with all this. So I suppose we have to squash the boss. So let's do that. Okay, 1 hit. Ha, he can't hit me. Oh, I died. Okay, there I defeated it, I think. And okay, that's all. Super amazing game. The first game is a 2D platformer with amazing cool features. In spite of telling the developer to keep things simple, he exceeded all my expectations. Outstanding visual style, rocket landing animation, space theme level selector, and a final boss fight. What else would a platformer game need? What was particularly super great about the project is that the movement and all mechanics feel polished, and the fact that we had 3 complete levels to play, making it a little bit longer, is also a plus. I still can't understand how the developer was able to create this complete game in just 3 days, although he had 7. Can you? To sum up, this platformer not only has the core mechanics expected on this type of games, but also phenomenal unique features. Okay, so here we are in the next game. In this case, it's a zombie survival game. As you can see, look at that cowboy zombie, man, that looks so good. Oh. So basically, we can shoot at the different zombies. If we headshot them, they are instantly killed. However, if we shot them at the chest, for example, their health is decreased, but they don't die instantly. We can even grab some bullets from here. As you can see, I have a total of 23, but if I grab these ones, I again have 30. On the top left part of the screen, you can see I have health. I have currently 60, but if I grab this thing, now I have 100 again. Let me shoot at these zombies right here, okay? What's also pretty cool is that we have different zombies. As you can see, we have like a woman here. We also have a cowboy like this man. And we also have like some normal zombies, let's say, as these ones right here. We have like 3 or 4 different models, really cool. Also, look at these models of the buildings, of the atmosphere in red. I really like the atmosphere of the game. This game, remember, is made with the Godot engine, and well, it's a 3D game. As you can see, it runs super smoothly, super smoothly. Also, the cartoony style is just so good, so good. The red atmosphere, the gun feels so smooth. You can even jump over here, you can dodge these zombies, and well, I think it's overall pretty cool. What I also really like is that you have, as you can see, a complete settings menu with different options. We even have the complete input map, like with the movement, the shooting, reloading, etc. Well, if we die, we have the game over scene with some credit section, with, as you can see, so cool, because here, well, we have the channel, we have the game engine, the font, and all the icons and different resources that the developer used in order to actually create the game. The second game is a 3D zombie survival game featuring an endless gameplay, health system, one gun, and the possibility of grabbing bullets and health points from the floor. What is very cool is the fact that the developer went for a cartoony style. Just look at the general environment, buildings, zombies, etc. Super phenomenal, and it's completely playable with no bugs, which is one of the main points. Also, it is important to consider that there was also included a settings menu with tons of different options to toggle, and a credit section with all the assets and resources he used in order to make the game a reality. In spite of the fact that it isn't a super realistic game or with complex 3D assets, the developer demonstrated that Godot is able to create 3D projects with no major problems. However, with more complex projects, in fact, there could be some issues, but this isn't the case. Okay, so here we are in the third game. In this case, this is a fighting game, so let's firstly go here to the tutorial. Pretty good main menu, by the way, and well, we can see here the different attack types that can be activated by pressing the keys right here. We also have here a training, and well, we can actually select 2 different attack types, a comma or an exclamation. Yeah, the visuals definitely seem to be pretty good. So I'm gonna try the different attack types, I have this one that is like the range attack. Then I also have this one, okay, that is actually a short range attack. Then I have this one, pretty cool. And also if I'm moving, I can actually dash, okay. So let's now press here ESC and we can actually start playing. As you can see, we have two different, like, I'm not gonna say characters because they aren't characters, but different attack types. So in this case, I'm gonna play with the Koma a little bit. And let's see how this goes. Okay, so there we are. Oh man. Okay, seems pretty cool. The camera works a little bit weird because as you can see, if I dash, for example, I can't really see where am I. Okay, but I think that if I just try to attack when I am a little bit far away from the enemy, I think that I'm actually able to hit him. Okay, there I am. I have to be really careful with my health. Yeah, what is a little bit also weird is the fact that maybe I can stay pretty far away, just keep attacking it with the long range attack, and I think it will be a win because as you can see, the enemy like can't move from there. Okay, he's so low in health. Come on, one more. Okay, victory. Okay, so we have like a kind of round system. As you can see, I have one medal. So I believe that if I achieve one more, I will just win. So I'm gonna do the exact same strategy, just everything with long range attacks. And yeah, that's that's definitely the strategy. And if I do this, I suppose that I should win quite easily. Okay, so there I have the second round won. And okay, I have like a second level this time. And well, I'm gonna try to actually like go to closer to the enemy, but as you can see, it's quite complicated. I can see him. Okay, here he is. So let's see. Okay, yes, I think I'm gonna win. Perfect. First round. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. 3, 2, 1. And okay, let's go. Come on, come here, boy. And let's here spam here the attack, but I think I'm gonna lose this time. No, I win. Okay, I won this time, and I think that should be all. Okay, yes, and then we can try out the other attack type. So let's try it out. I have, okay, this attack that, well, we have actually seen last time. Pretty cool attack. We also have the short range attack. We can throw here the exclamation mark. Pretty cool. And well, we can obviously dash. The third game is a 2D fighter game which has quite an interesting approach in the combat system. It isn't about an ordinary different collection of attacks about punching, kicking, etc. It's about punctuation symbols. There are a total of 3 different punctuation symbols, giving the game some variety. On the other hand, the aesthetic of the game is quite interesting, featuring a pixel art style with interesting particles and trails which enhance its visual quality. What I particularly really like about this game is the unique approach the developer had taken, not only creating a completely functional game but also featuring a new concept. So these were all the games I had to show you in the video. Which of the 3 games did you like the most? Comment its number down below. Remember that you can start using Fiverr and take in your game ideas to reality following the link down below, which is an affiliation link. So if you use that link left in the description, I would really appreciate it. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video as well. See you in the next one, and bye bye.